Okay, here are the steps that I use to use Google Translate. First, you open up a blank tab and you go to this grid of 9 dots. Press it, bring it down until you get to Translate, and open that. Now, just to give you an idea, detect language. I'm going to type in arigato, Japanese for thank you, and it has detected Estonian. Now, if I switch that to Japanese, it gets it right. Thank you. So much for detect language. Now, I've already prepared part of the translation that I did, and I have it in Word document. I use Publisher myself, but Word is perfectly capable. Now you notice everything in red lines. That's where Word does not think that is a actual word. And you have to be careful, because if you type in certain words in any language, they may be familiar to certain words in English, and Word might autocorrect. So you want to watch for that. But I like to type in the foreign language into a Word or Microsoft Publisher before I insert it into the translator, because I want to concentrate exactly on what I'm typing. One time I misspelled a word, and the sentence that translated actually to "I don't know why they move" came out as "I don't know why I'm dying." So just one letter can mess something up. And instead of putting it directly into Translate, where you've got that distracting translation going on simultaneously to your input, I do it here so I can concentrate again exactly on what I'm doing. And then it's just a matter of cut and paste. We highlight everything, Control C, we go over to Google Translate, Control V, and that didn't give me anything because I selected Japanese. Now I'll subtract Italian. Okay, here we are. And that's all you have to do it. Then what I do is that I highlight this and I go back to Documents. I will insert a page break and just, oops. Let's go back to the translation. I'm going to Control C that and Control V here. And there you go. Then you can go on to the next page. If I'm doing translating, I like to keep the original and the, which somehow I didn't do here. But that's how I do the translate. Now, let's see. I guess I explained everything. Good luck.